In this video, I will show you how to make Google Contacts the default on iPhone. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings. Use the search bar and type Contacts. Tap the Contacts app from the results. Here, you should first make sure your Google account is added under Accounts. If you don't see it, tap Add Account, select Google, and sign in using the same account you checked earlier. Once it's added, make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on so syncing works properly. After that, go back to the Contacts settings page and scroll down to Default Account. Tap it and choose your Gmail account. A check mark will appear beside it. That means all new contacts you save on your iPhone will now automatically go straight to Google Contacts. Give your phone a moment to update, and you can confirm everything by adding a test contact and checking if it appears on contacts.google.com. And that's how to make Google Contacts the default on iPhone.